Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Flow. How are you today? I am here with Maya, and today we are going to talk about two very important English words, since and for.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Maya, I have a question for you.
Yes, Ryan. What is your question?
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for 5 years.
That is great. And when did you start? I started learning English in 2019, so you have been learning English since 2019.
Yes, that is right. Since 2019.
Did you hear that, everyone? I used two words just now, for and since.
Yes, for 5 years. And since 2019.
These two words are very important in English.
Yes, many beginners get confused with for and since.
But do not worry, today we will make it very simple.
Yes. By the end of this episode, you will understand for and since very well.
We will give you 20 examples today.
20 examples. That is a lot.
Yes, but they are all simple and easy to understand.
And you can use them in your daily life.
Yes. These are very common words in everyday English.
So let's start learning.
But first, if you are new here, welcome to Everyday English Flow.
We upload a new English video every single day.
So please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell.
That way you never miss a new video.
Okay, let's talk about for and since.
Ryan, what is the difference between for and since?
It is simple. We use for with an amount of time, like 2 hours, 3 days, 5 years. For tells us how long something lasted.
And since?
We use since with a specific point in time, like Monday, January 2020, 3 o'clock. Since tells us when something started.
So for is about how long, and since is about when it started.
Exactly right. Let's start with for. Here is example number 1. Example 1. I have lived in this city for 10 years.
For 10 years. 10 years is the duration, the amount of time.
Yes, 10 years is a period of time, so we use for. I have lived in this city for 10 years. Very good. Example 2. She has been sleeping for 3 hours.
For 3 hours. 3 hours is the amount of time.
Yes. She started sleeping some time ago and she is still sleeping.
3 hours is the duration, so we use for.
Exactly.
Example 3. We have been friends for a long time.
For a long time. A long time is the period.
Yes, we use for because it tells us the duration of their friendship.
That is right.
Example 4. He has worked at that company for 6 months.
For 6 months. 6 months is the amount of time.
Yes, so we use for.
Exactly. Are you following, everyone?
We use for with amounts of time, like 10 years, 3 hours, 6 months, a long time.
Let's do a few more examples with for.
Yes. Example 5. I have not eaten anything for 8 hours.
For 8 hours. 8 hours is the duration.
Yes, so we use for.
I am hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. Okay. Example 6. They have been married for 20 years.
For 20 years. 20 years is the amount of time.
Yes, so we use for.
Very good. Example 7. I have been waiting for 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the duration.
Yes. So we use for.
I do not like waiting for 30 minutes.
Nobody does.
Example 8. She has been studying English for 2 years.
For 2 years. 2 years is the period of time.
Yes, we use for.
And example 9. We have not seen each other for a very long time.
For a very long time, that is the duration, so we use for.
Yes. And one more. Example 10. He has been sick for a week.
For a week. 1 week is the amount of time, so we use for.
Great. So those are 10 examples with for.
Let me say the rule one more time. We use for with a period of time, an amount of time.
Like 2 hours, 3 days, 4 months, 5 years, a long time, a week.
If it is an amount of time, use for.
Perfect. Now let's talk about since.
Okay, now let's look at since. Example 11. I have lived in this city since 2015.
Since 2015. 2015 is a specific year, a point in time. Yes, so we use since. I have lived in the city since 2015. Very natural.
Example 12. She has been sleeping since 9 o'clock.
Since 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is a specific time, a point in time.
Yes, so we use since.
9 o'clock is when she started sleeping.
Exactly. We use since for the starting point.
Example 13. We have been friends since we were children.
Since we were children. That is the starting point of their friendship.
Yes. So we use since.
Beautiful example.
Example 14. He has worked at that company since January.
Since January. January is a specific month, a point in time, and
Yes. So we use since.
he started working there in January, so we say since January.
Exactly.
Listeners, are you understanding the difference?
For is for amounts of time. Since is for starting points.
Let's continue. Example 15. I have not eaten anything since this morning.
Since this morning. This morning is a specific time, the starting point.
Yes, so we use since.
That means I have not eaten since morning. I am very hungry now. Laughter.
Laughter. Please eat something, Ryan. Okay. Example 16. They have been married since 2003.
Since 2003. 2003 is a specific year.
Yes, that is when they got married, so we use since.
We use since because 2003 is the starting point.
Exactly.
Example 17. I have been waiting since 2 o'clock.
Since 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock is a specific time.
Yes. That is when the waiting started, so we use since.
I have been waiting since 2 o'clock. That is a long time.
Yes, very long. Example 18. She has been studying English since last year.
Since last year is a specific time, the starting point.
Yes. So we use since.
She started studying English last year. Since last year.
Exactly.
Example 19. We have not seen each other since our school days.
Since our school days. School days is the starting point, the time when it started.
Yes, so we use since.
Beautiful sentence.
And example 20. He has been sick since Monday.
Since Monday. Monday is a specific day, a point in time.
Yes, he got sick on Monday. So we say since Monday.
We use since because Monday is the starting point.
Perfect. Those are 20 examples, everyone.
10 with for and 10 with since.
Okay, now let's make it even clearer. Let me compare some sentences.
Great idea. Let's look at for and since side by side.
Okay, I have lived here for 10 years.
I have lived here since 2014.
Both sentences mean the same thing, but the words are different.
Yes. For 10 years tells us the duration. 10 years is the amount of time.
Since 2014 tells us the starting point. 2014 is when it started.
They mean the same thing, but we use different words.
Another example. She has been sick for 3 days.
She has been sick since Monday.
Both are correct. For 3 days is the duration.
Since Monday is the starting point.
They both describe the same situation, but differently.
Exactly. Now let's practice together.
I will say the beginning of a sentence. You tell me if we need for or since.
Okay, listeners, you can play along too.
Ready? I have been waiting days 2 hours.
For. Because 2 hours is an amount of time.
Correct. I have been waiting for 2 hours. Good.
Okay, my turn. I have been waiting. Shot goodbye. 3 o'clock.
Since. Because 3 o'clock is a specific time.
Correct. I have been waiting since 3 o'clock. Very good.
Let's do one more. She has worked here on games many years.
For. Because many years is an amount of time.
Perfect. She has worked here for many years.
And one more. She has worked here back in our 2018.
Since. Because 2018 is a specific year.
Exactly right. She has worked here since 2018.
Great practice, everyone.
Now let's talk about some mistakes that beginners often make.
Yes, this is very important. What mistakes do beginners make with for and since?
The most common mistake is using since with an amount of time.
Can you give an example?
Yes. Some people say, I have been waiting since 2 hours. That is wrong.
Since 2 hours is wrong. Why?
Because 2 hours is an amount of time, a duration. So we need for.
I have been waiting for 2 hours. That is correct.
Yes. We never say since 2 hours. We say for 2 hours.
Another common mistake is using for with a specific time.
Yes. Some people say, I have been here for Monday. That is wrong,
For Monday is wrong. Why?
because Monday is a specific point in time. So we need since.
I have been here since Monday. That is correct.
Yes, we never say for Monday. We say since Monday is.
So remember, for with amounts of time, since with specific points in time.
If you can answer the question, how long, use for.
If you can answer the question since when, use since.
That is a very helpful tip.
Let me say that again. If the answer is how long, use for. If the answer is since when, use since.
For example, how long have you lived here? I have lived here for 5 years.
Since when have you lived here? I have lived here since 2019.
Perfect. Listeners, let's have a little quiz now.
Yes, a quick and easy quiz.
I will say a word. You decide if it goes with for or since.
Ready, everyone?
2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
Last Monday.
Since last Monday.
6 months.
For 6 months.
Yesterday.
Since yesterday.
A long time.
For a long time.
This morning.
Since this morning.
1 hour.
For 1 hour.
2020.
Since 2020.
Many years.
For many years.
Last summer.
Since last summer.
Excellent work, Maya.
Thank you. Laughter. But actually, listeners, I want you to try too.
Yes. Pause the video and try the quiz yourself.
For or since. It is good practice.
And if you want more practice, write your own sentence in the comments.
Yes. Use for or since in a sentence and write it below.
We love reading your sentences. Every comment makes us happy.
Okay, Ryan. Let's do our word tour now.
Yes. Let's review the keywords and rules from today.
The first keyword is for.
For is used with a period of time, an amount of time.
Examples of amounts of time are 2 hours, 3 days, 4 weeks, 5 months, 10 years, a long time, a short time.
If you are talking about how long something lasted, use for.
For example, I have been studying for 2 hours.
She has lived here for 5 years.
We have been friends for a long time.
The second keyword is since.
Since is used with a point in time, a specific moment when something started.
Examples of points in time are Monday, January 2015, this morning, last year, 3 o'clock, yesterday.
If you're talking about when something started, use since.
For example, I have been studying since 9 o'clock.
She has lived here since 2018.
We have been friends since we were children.
Now let's look at the big difference, one more time.
For answers, the question how long?
Since answers the question since when.
For goes with amounts, 2 hours, 5 years, a long time.
Since goes with specific times. Monday, 2015, this morning.
And both words are used with the present perfect tense.
Present perfect. That means we use have or has with the main verb.
For example, I have lived here for 10 years.
She has worked here since 2020.
Have plus the past participle. That is the present perfect tense.
But do not worry about that too much today. Just remember for and since.
Yes, one step at a time.
For is for how long. Since is for since when.
Simple and easy.
Okay, let's also talk about how to remember this easily.
Yes, I have a simple trick.
Tell us.
Here's a simple trick. For sounds like for is a number. Numbers are amounts. So for goes with amounts of time.
That is clever. And for since, think of start. Since tells us the start of something. Since Monday means it started on Monday.
So remember, for equals amount. Since equals start.
For equals amount. Since equals start. Easy to remember.
Okay, listeners. Let's do our final steps before we finish.
Step 1. Remember that for is used with amounts of time. 2 hours, 5 years, a long time.
Step 2. Remember that since is used with specific points in time. Monday, 2020, this morning.
Step 3. Ask yourself, is this an amount of time? Use for. Is this a specific point in time? Use since.
Step 4. Practice every day. Make your own sentences with for and since.
For example, I have been watching Everyday English Flow for 1 hour, or since 10 o'clock. Both are correct.
Write your sentence in the comments, and do not be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Every mistake is a lesson. Keep trying. Today was so much fun, Ryan.
Yes, I really enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about for and since.
Yes. And we gave 20 examples,
10 examples with for.
and 10 examples with since.
And we learned the big difference. For is for amounts of time. Since is for starting points.
I think our listeners understand it very well now.
I think so too.
Listeners, thank you so much for watching today.
We hope this video helped you understand for and since.
Please write one sentence in the comments using for or since.
For example, I have been studying English for 1 year, or I have been studying English since last January.
Any sentence is great, just practice.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes, it helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
And please subscribe to Everyday English Flow.
We upload a new English video every single day,
Yes, every day there is something new to learn.
so come back tomorrow for another great English lesson.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
You are amazing English learners.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Small steps every day lead to big progress.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care. Keep learning.